everyone, this is Susan again from WoW Cake Company. I'm just going to show you how easy it is to make our cake mixes, and today we're going to use the chocolate brownie mix. This is a chocolate brownie mix. It's gluten-free, wheat-free and nut-free, but it may contain milk because we use the highest quality of Belgian chocolate and Belgian cocoa, and on the chocolate it said may contain milk, so it's just to make you aware. Before we start, I have melted in the microwave 175 grams of butter, and we've got 4 eggs ready, and we have a tin here that's already greased and lined. So all we have to do is to open with a pair of scissors, just open this and pour the contents into the bowl. Now I'm using a mixer today. If you don't have a mixer, you can just use a hand mixer. There's not a problem. You don't have to have anything special. So I'll put that there. So all you have to do is pour that in and then add the 175 grams of melted butter. So we just put all of that in there, just scrape it through, make sure you get every drop. There we go. So we do that, get the attachment on, and let's start. Just start it off very slowly in here because otherwise it will spray. So we just gently mix it in. Now, when you've mixed it in, it'll look a little bit like breadcrumbs, but just make sure that you mix it thoroughly. There we go. Just for a couple of minutes. So, there we go. It's very simple. It comes out like a breadcrumbs consistency. I'm just going to scrape the bits off the side just to make sure that everything gets mixed in thoroughly and properly. So there we go, that's all done there. Doesn't stick to the bottom. Smells delicious, by the way. So we'll just put this down again. And now what we do is add in 4 eggs. Now I try and add them just a couple at a time, bits at a time. There we go. Just till they're broken up and starting to whisk in, and then we put the lot in like that. Make sure it all goes in, and then all you do is mix it, whisk it on medium-sized speed, and that's it. You leave it for a couple of minutes. Stop midway. I always try and scrape the sides off. You don't want any dry powder left in here. So we just scrape the sides and the bottom just to make sure. Can get a little bit gooey, I have to say. There we go. So scrape that back in. Put it down and give it another couple of minutes. So, there we go. And that's it. That's all we do. So then you remove everything out, you scrape off the spatula, just get that out, there we go. Every bit counts, it's absolutely lovely, the smell is great. So there we go, so we take it all off, like that. Right. And all we do is get our tray ready, like so, and pour it in. It looks really runny, but don't worry, it's absolutely amazing. There we go. Make sure you get everything out. Scrape the tin. There we go. It is quite gooey, and sometimes you have to fight with it to get it out. There we go. But I just don't want to leave anything behind because it's so good. So you get rid of that. And there we go. And then all you do, now you can use a square tin. Sometimes I use a square tin. Today I've just gone for an oblong one. And the square makes it a little bit thicker. But it doesn't matter because once you put it in the oven and it comes out, you get so many delicious slices. It doesn't really matter. It's what you personally prefer, to be fair. If you like the thicker pieces, put it in an 8-inch square tin. And you'll get some lovely, lovely thick slices. So there we go. Just put it through like that. Just make sure that it's evenly spread. And you can see if there's any sort of little holes that you want to put through. There we go. That should be about right. And then all you do now is pop it in the oven, 160 fan. If you haven't got a fan oven, 180. And then set your timer for 40 to 45 minutes. Now, please check it with a tester and make sure that it's all cooked. The chocolate will melt on the inside, so it will be a little bit gooey, but I'll show you when we take it out of the oven. So we'll be back in a few minutes. Okay, here we are. The brownie has come out of the oven. It's been in the oven for 43 minutes. Now, just to show you, to make sure that you know it's cooked, this is what I use. I use just a normal tester, and we put it in, see, and it comes out clear. So that's fine. If you're doing an 8-inch square tin, so it's a little bit deeper, it might take a little bit longer, but this is how it should be. So it's sort of hard on top and be soft in the middle. Now, normally I would leave this a little bit longer before taking it out, but I just want to show you how it comes out. So literally, you grab hold and put it on there like that. So you can see how it is at the sides. If I hold that down, you should be able to see that it's soft in the middle there and nice and crispy on the outside. So we'll leave that to cool now for maybe 20 minutes before you slice it. For more information on any of our products, please go to our website, www.wowcakecompany.com.